What's up, y'all? Making another video today. Gonna be talking about I sold my Steam Deck. Well, I am gonna sell my Steam Deck. So I'm actually selling it for, let me see how much, for $270. If you look on if I haven't used it in a while. It still works. Everything, no scratches at all. I actually could go up on the price because you could not find no Steam Deck for that amount. Cause everybody, I looked on everything, and they selling for $400 or more, which it is a lot. Cause everybody, Steam Deck is still in demand, but I'm selling mine because I already got another handheld PC with the ROG Ally. I like that. To me, I like that's a better version. To me, even though people like the Steam Deck, I like the ROG more better. It's raw to me, so I'm gonna keep that and continue with that. Steam Deck, I haven't played it. I only played like one game on it, and it's alright, but I don't want it. I got it. I think I got it like a year, either a year ago. But now it's time to sell it. So I'm selling that Steam Deck. Leave in the comments how much y'all sold y'all for. You know, we can have a conversation about it. Stay tuned for more. John Facts out.